Hey everyone. So, welcome back to another episode of live trading. Now, I've created a brand new account. I've deposited $300 as you can see on the screen. Um, Once again, uh, this is second of my series of live streams on YouTube, and of course, it's available on replay playback. Not that many people are on at the moment. Um, so as you can see, I started the account with $300, and then I'm gonna see that in 1 hour how far I can take this account into live trading, real money. To sign up, uh, you can click the link in the box in the description, and you can create a demo account absolutely free. And then you also don't forget to get a regular account at the same time. You don't have to deposit straight away, but do create both accounts so that you can log back in next time. So what I did was I have 318 balance. As you can see, I did 3 trades. I'm using a strategy, the martingale strategy. I've been doing that for the last couple of days. I lost a lot of money. You can watch my previous videos and you can see what's going on with that. But even after losing some money, I uh, still started with a new account, and I'm gonna take this account from $300, and let's see where this account goes to. Okay, so um, now there's one issue that on the right hand side you see a white box, and it's not showing anything there. It's supposed to be the Excel sheet which I usually record all my transactions and trades. Unfortunately, I spent 1 hour trying to fix that, and the sheet just wouldn't want to show. But perhaps I'll fix that next time, but you can see what I'm doing on the left hand side. I'm gonna continue to use the sheet. I'll just type in the results. So what I did a first trade for $10, you can see here. And then I got $18 back. So gain of $8 in 1 minute. I'm doing a 1 minute interval using GBP and USD live trading live stream. Brought to you by Easy Trading School. I have a course which you can buy. It's normally $300, but it's on sale at the moment for $99. You can get that. So I also have a spinner here, which I am going to use. So the strategy is very simple. You don't need to know anything about trading. You don't need to know which direction you're going to be placing the trade. And the reason I have this spinner is because I just found an option and I thought it'd be nice to have this. And not only that, because it doesn't matter what direction you take, the strategy will work. The green one are the calls and the red ones are the put. So as the spinner says, I have to place a put trade for $10. So each time I do a trade, it must be $10. And then if I lose that trade, I'm going to double up on the amount and then make a new trade. Not even a double up, but in addition to double up. So if I lose this trade, I'm going to take the next one for $25. Now the thing is, also make sure that you have these two in equal ratios. So that means here it says 80 and here should say 80. Because if you change the ratio, you can see this becomes 34 and this becomes 120. So that means if you were to do a call and if you're right, you'll get 120%. But if you're wrong, you'll What is that? Okay, that's and if it's a call, you'll get 34%. So let's not do that. Let's just keep it even. And I made that one, and I have to actually turn off these pop-ups because I don't like these pop-ups. So show result dialog, let's take that off. Browser notifications, let's turn that off. Okay, so we're okay. So I'm gonna enter in my sheet, which is a white box for you, the return of $18, and I'm going to continue with this. And this time I'm gonna run the spinner, and I know it's gonna be put, because the way I've put this spinner, as you can see, the red ones are bigger areas and the green one are smaller areas, because as per my experience, there are more downward trends than upward trends, because you can see the spikes are very short and the downward trends are longer. I could be wrong, but that's what I found out, and I'm gonna stick with it unless the line is going higher. I'm not gonna hit put. So this gonna be in the money. I'm gonna hit the wheel, and let's see where this takes me. More. Oh, this is a call trade. Okay, so my next one is going to be a call, and I'm going to abide by the wheel, and I'm gonna take the trade, but I must wait for this to close because this can change anytime, and that means if it does turn out to be a losing trade, I have to double up on my position size. So this live session is gonna last about an hour, and let's see in 1 hour or 40 minutes where I can take this to. So I have to keep going and go upwards. Okay, so I'm using the spinner, and the spinner takes about 5 seconds to run. So just before end of the close of the position, I'm going to hit the wheel, and let's see where it goes. So I know, as per my experience, I always like to take downward trends, but I'm just following the wheel today. It's a nice gadget I found. Okay, 14 seconds. You can see the clock here. 12, 11, 10, 9. I know it wants to go up, but maybe not. 2. So we've lost that one. A pity, but I'm gonna take the $25 trade and use my downward trend, which I always do. Now, I didn't follow the spinner rule, but you know, I just like downwards, and I'm gonna override this because I lost the last one. So let's see what's happening now. So I've got 18. Just gonna fix my sheet, and see this one. Fix the sheet. Yeah, it's gonna go up now this time, isn't it? 18, 18, 0. This one was 25. So this is bad news, but not to worry. We just have to wait. 2, 1, 0. Okay. So what that means now, if you've guessed it, I have to take the amount to $60 now, and I'm gonna use the help of the spinner. Let's see what Mr. Spinner has to say about this. It's a put, so I'll just say put. So my balance now is 239. I'm gonna update my sheet, keep a record of what's happening. 45, 18, 18, 0, 0, and 10, 10, 239. Okay, that's my balance, yeah. Okay, looks like this is not going well. Now, for this strategy to work, you need to have fairly good big amount of trading account. I worked out it you need about $1,600 for this strategy to work successfully. So now my trade amount is gonna be 100 and it was how much 60, so 170 this time. So am I gonna take the help of the spin wheel? Okay, Mr. Wheel, I need your help now. Okay, it's a put. I've hit the put now. Okay, so now the danger is that this might be my last trade because as per the strategy, I must continue to double up on my amount. And if this doesn't go right, that means I cannot, I repeat, I cannot recover from this loss unless I had started with $3 or $5 trades and that or $1 trades, and that was not going to be a very good option for me. Okay, so we have blown the account in less than 10 minutes. So the strategy has broken down and we are finished. Now, unfortunately, this is all I was able to fund today. Ideally, I wanted to, I mean, for this to be successful, you need at least 7 or 8 wrong tries. And for that, you need a big account balance of about $1,600. Or you could have used $1 trades. Now, I didn't do that because it takes a lot of time. So perhaps in my next session, I will do this. I will do the $1 trades or $2 trades because I really, really want to show everybody that you can do this. And today my sheet is not working. So I'm gonna just go with the I'm gonna use up rest of the balance here, and this is not gonna recover unless I change my strategy to $1 trades. But I don't have the time and patience to do that. Perhaps I should change my strategy to be $2 trades. Let's do that. Because then, if I'm doing the $2 trades, let's see how many wrong chances I have before I blow the account. I have about 4 chances. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with the $2 strategy, and I can show you how you can recover from this. So I don't need to open a new account or deposit more money. I can go with $2 trades, and that means let me see here. So balance is 59, and I have 4 wrong tries before I blow the account. So I'm gonna go with this strategy, and I'm gonna go with $2 trades starting right now. So, well, luckily I won that trade, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take the $2 trades from now onwards. So my next 10 trades are gonna be $2 trades, and then I can change my base amount to be $3 trades and so forth. Okay. So live trading using expert option, go to the description box to sign up and get your $10,000 bonus account. So where is this going? So okay, okay, so we didn't make that one, so I have to double up this to 5. So double is 4, but I'm gonna put an extra and do my downwards and spin the wheel afterwards. Isn't it amazing? You can do whatever you like. You will still end up making money. So where are we going? And if I lose that one, I have to make that 12 my next trade. So I'll just type this in 12. Did I do downwards? Okay, I should follow the wheel. Let's follow the wheel. Okay, this time the wheel says put. I'm gonna go with put. 40 seconds. Let's see. Alright, I'm back. Okay, so where are we? Did we make that one? We did. So I have to record the $21 gain. So my balance is now, how much is my balance? Okay, I messed up the balance. So this must have been $12. So I have to go back. I'll change this to $3 and I'll do spin wheel. Okay, Mr. Wheel, follow the wheel, put. Okay. Okay, so my balance is going bad. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 18. Okay, my balance is okay. I placed $3 trade. I need to build up the account so I can have about 7 wrong tries. This is the, well, ideally it should be 8, even 9 wrong tries, but you need a lot of patience for that. And let's see, if I'm doing $3 trades, my account balance should be 126. Is it? Yes. Okay, should be 126. So I have to do $3 trades, even 2. Okay, let's not waste any time and spin the wheel. And there's another put here. You can never tell which way the ticker is going. I thought I'll just have the wheel, might as well. Okay, what do we have here? Spin the wheel. Why not? Mr. Wheel says, what does it say? Put. Are you sure, Mr. Wheel? Okay, why not? If only I had followed the Mr. Wheel. Okay, so we are slowly building up the account again, but I'm gonna change my base trade amount to 5. I think we can manage that, can't we? Actually, we cannot, because my balance has to be 96 for 4 wrong consecutive wrongs. So I should really be doing 4. Your base amount is very important. So let's do 4 and let's do spin the wheel. 4. So it's downwards again. Okay. Okay. My balance should be 77. I need a balance of 169. That's what I need, 169. So that means I need to double up on my amount. That will take about 10 trades. Yeah. But if I get wrong, I'm in trouble. Spin the wheel. And we are wrong there. So our next one is going to be €9. Okay. Let's put again. We really only have about 4 tries before we are finished. Is it? Yeah, 4 tries. We should be okay. Now I shouldn't have, so the main message here is don't start your base amount using the martingale strategy with $10. Start with the $3 or $2 trades until you've built the account to be at least $1,600, $1,700. Then you can change the amount gradually to 4, to 5, to 6. And that's the power of doubling. Okay, we almost got that, almost. So now it's going to be $20, we know that. So again a put. So this is the second last try before the account is blown up, and if that happens, we are finished for the session. But I mean, the likelihood for something to be wrong consecutively, it's about like 7-8 times it takes. That's the highest it can happen, but you should have that much of leeway. And with this trading balance, you do not have that much leeway unless you have a big account, like I said. In my previous videos, I've shown you guys that you can really make thousands very quickly, but you can blow up the account very quickly as well. So this would be my last trade, and it will be for $45. So let's spin the wheel last time. Of course it's a put. What else is gonna be? Okay. And let's see what happens now. Now, as you can see, I've been doubling up the amount, and not only that, I've been doing slightly more than double. Now, this is to make up for the loss and plus get the benefit which I would have gotten if I hadn't lost. So now let's see, 12 seconds, 11 seconds. It's on the line. It's very close. It's below the line now. Oh, it's on the line. It's below the line. It's below the line. This is what I'm talking about. Now, Now the most important decision now it's gonna be how much we're gonna place now. This is the important thing, is that we have to go down way low. We have to look at our sheet again. Unfortunately, you cannot see my sheet today. I'll hope to fix it next time. So we'll go back to 3. Let's see what happens if I do 3, because I have a trajectory in my sheet, projection. So, between the 3 and 4 base amount trades, I cannot see difference, because I'm still gonna blow up my account at fourth wrong prediction. So I'll just go with $4 trades, and let's just see here, $4 trades, and it's again a put. I think it's gonna rise now, to be honest. Oh yeah, I think it's gonna rise. The wheel says down. I'll just go with down. Safest bet ever. Down. If you're not sure, press the down key. Now, $4 trade. So what I'm aiming right now is to jump up my account to be $170, and then I can maybe ramp up the amounts. But for now, I'm just gonna remain at $4 trades. 720, and my next one. So it looks like it's gonna win. Spin the wheel. Let's see what happens. It's a downward trend as well. So okay, that's an in. Okay, that's it. We're gonna keep going. So we're in a live session in 27 minutes and 40 seconds. We started this account with $300, and we blew it up very quickly, because we used the what you call $10 trade, which is not a good amount to trade with a small account. You need a big account to do that. Someone asked me if I have an Instagram. I do not have Instagram, unfortunately. I don't have time to be liking on other people's pictures. This is very down. Look at this down. It's gone down. See all the green ones? These are the people who said it's gonna go up. Look at this guy placing $1,800, $1,000. All these people said is going up, but they were all wrong. Oh, another $1,000 for going up. Ooh, $1,000. Now, if you must know, on this platform, expert option, you can only place maximum position size to be $1,000. You cannot place amount bigger than that. So this is your max limit. Now I found a way. Now, according to the martingale trading strategy, you must double up on your accounts if you lose your previous amount. So, and your double amount should be it shouldn't be accumulated, or is it? No, just the double of the previous amount. So I found out that if, for example, your previous amount, losing amount was, let's say, $800, and your next amount should be $1,600. So if the platform has a limit, how are you going to place a trade of $1,600? Because you can't, because your limit is 1,000. So what you can do is, this is a little hack. You can place double trades of a maximum amount of, say, 800 twice, and then you have to press the key very quickly. That way you can place two trades of 800 each, making $1,600, thus making your martingale strategy work in any platform. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and double up on my amount, which is going to be 10. Let's make it 10. Spin the wheel. Yes, sir. So this was put again. Is there a put? We just have to follow the wheel. It's okay. Again, 720 and then let's see what happens now. Trading live. Trading live, live money, live session, live trade, real money, real session. It doesn't get any better than this. So where is this going? Are we getting some money or not? Let's see. Okay, so we are in a little bit of a hickey here because it seems to me that our second trade is about to lose and we only have 4 tries before the account blows up again for the second time. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, gone, boom. My next amount is going to be how much? $25. Spin the wheel. Okay, so it's gonna be another put, not to worry. But the thing is, if I lose this one, my next amount is going to be 55 max amount. And we now, in the last hickey that we had, I made gain for the last amount. And that's why I was able to keep on trading today. And this is my third try. And if I don't make this one, then my next try will be the last try before the account blows up again blow up. I didn't start properly. I should have started with $3 or $4 trades. I went straight to $10 using the martingale strategy. Big mistake. Okay, so now I have to go back to my main amount, which is $4, and spin the wheel. And I will just place put because I know what Mr. Wheel says. Okay, my balance has grown now to $98. This is a prime example that you can build your account pretty much from very little, only if you're willing to put in the time, and only if you have the patience, and only if you have the to be able to follow the structure that's in place. Because if you go out of that structure, you will effectively make wrong choices. It's very easy to blow up the account. Spin the wheel for $4 going. Oh, we have a put. I mean, we have a call. Whoa, let's do call. You know, I don't like these upward clicks. I only like downward clicks. That's the only direction I like to go. The stocks, the Forex, they all go down. They go, you can see here, they go up very quickly, then they come down only. They only come down. They do nothing else. They come down, they go a little bit up, they go down more. It's down. So they do go up very quickly, but then they gradually come down. So the direction seems to be only downwards. Binary options 2019 latest, for beginners, for advanced, for fun, for money. This is it. So Mr. Wheel was right. Whoa, I like Mr. Wheel. Downwards, and then I think I'm gonna be changing my base amount to be $5 pretty soon. Now that is still not acceptable because um, according to this base amount 4, I can blow up my account in 4 chances. So ideally my base amount should really be actually be $3, but I still blow up the account in 4 tries. So I might as well go with 4. What if I go with 5? Now you cannot see the white box there. You cannot see what's there, but it's an Excel sheet which I'm using. I have projections, and I'm using a prediction calculation in that, so I can make some choices. Mr. V was wrong last time. Mr. V, what are we gonna do? It's trying to rise, to be honest. I'm gonna go against the wheel. I'm gonna take a chance. Take a chance. Take a chance. Chance, chance, chance. Chance, 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 chance. I do not like going upward. I like going downwards. Down, down, down. Okay, so this is my second try, and then after, if I get this wrong, I only have 2 more tries before the account blows up. Or do I? Yes, I still have 2 more tries. So this is our line, drawing line. Okay, Mr. Wheel was right. So my next one is going to be 25. Spin the wheel. Now there's no way I'm gonna do upwards. There's just no way. There's no way, because we cannot risk it. So if we lose this one, then we only have one last try before I actually blow the account again. And let's see what happens now. Let's see what happens. We've got 26 seconds. So 38 minutes live binary options trading. To sign up, go to the description box, sign up with the link. Please support us. Expert option is available in most countries, and if you go to the link and if you find another broker, do sign up with that, because sometimes I change the link. Okay, so we have a little bit of a hickey. Third try didn't go well. My last amount is going to be for 55, 60. Make it 55. Which way are we going, Mr. Wheel? I hope it's downwards. Whoa, call! This is a very, very difficult position now, because wheel says up and I'm saying down, and it's not even moving. It's just not moving at all. Let's close up on this now. Let's see. I do not see. Where is that? Okay, it's not even moving. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for a second here, because I don't know which way it's going. Because it could be either way, and it's gonna shoot, it's gonna break out. It's gonna shoot in any direction, and I'm not gonna take this risk now, because this is my last trade before I blow up the account. And if that happens, today's session is over. That's right. Just give it a few minutes. Okay, there seems to be some micro movements here. What I'm gonna do is when it's going downwards now, but when it goes up a little bit, I'm gonna hit downwards. I do not have any idea where this is going. I say this is going upwards. Is it? Seems to be just stuck. Yeah, see, I think it does this when it wants to go up. Okay. Anywho, let's see, where is this going? All right, I think I'm gonna continue trading with the same account next time. I do not feel that I should take any risk at the moment. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe to the channel. This way you get a notification when I bring out a new update, video, live trading, or whatever that's coming on. We have some great systems on binary options tested website. We have our course in easytradingschool.com. We have some offers in the description box. You can sign up and you can start making money. You can watch my channel and other videos and to learn. And I wish you all the good luck, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.